For this video, pag-aaralan natin how to find the area of segment of a circle. So first, let us identify and define what is a segment of a circle. So when we say segment of a circle is the region bounded by an arc and its chord. So, like for example, we have here circle B. So dito sa circle B, we have radius AB and radius CB. So, pag kinonect nyo yung end point ng dalawang radius, yung point A and point C, so magkakaroon ng chord. So, this is chord AC. And the arc intercepted by chord AC is arc AC. Ito yung arc AC. So, itong region na ito, nakita nyo itong shaded region na ito. Itong region na ito, the region bounded by the chord and the arc intercepted by that chord is called the segment of a circle. So ito dito sa circle B, yung segment na ito, this is segment ABC. So this region, this is segment of a circle. So how do we find the area of the shaded segment? So kung mapapansin nyo, itong segment na ito is the result when you subtract the area of this triangle, the area of the triangle to the area of the to the sector of the circle. So ito yung sector, 'di ba? Yung kaninang pinag-aralan natin. Itong area na ito. Ito hanggang doon. Itong area na ito, kapag sinubtract natin itong triangle na nabuo, pag kinonect natin yung point A and point C, yung matitira, that is the segment of the circle. So that is why in determining the area of the segment of a circle, the formula is area of sector minus area of triangle. Ima-minus natin yung triangle doon sa sector. So to get the area of segment, area of sector, that is pi r squared c over 360 degrees, where r is the radius, c is the angle or the degree measure of the central angle over 360 degrees, minus the area of the triangle, 1/2 r squared sine c. Itong sin, ang basa dyan ay sine. So, nanggaling siya sa word na sine. Ang sine is S-I-N-E. So, pag nag-grade 11 na kayo at tinake ninyo yung circular function o di kaya yung trigonometry, pag-aaralan nyo palalo kung anong ibig sabihin ng sine na ito. Yung abbreviation niya is S-I-N. So, pag binasa nyo yung S-I-N, yun ay sine. Okay? So, area of triangle is 1/2 r squared sine c. So again, when we say c, c is the central angle in degree measure. That is also the measure of the arc intercepted by the central angle. So let's have an example. Solve the area of the shaded region. So we have here circle L. So sa circle L, the measure of the radius is 8 meters. So, ito yung radius natin. Yung KL and ML are radius. So, ang measure ng radius is 8 meters. Laki, 8 meters, And then, the measure of the central angle is 60 degrees. So, kung ang measure ng central angle ay 60 degrees, ang measure nitong arc KM is also 60 degrees. So, tingnan natin yung mga given. So, ang pi natin, ang gagamitin natin ay 3.14. Radius is equal to 8 meters. 8 meters. And the measure of the central angle is equal to 60 degrees. So, ang gagawin lamang natin is we're going to plug in, substitute the given to the formula. So, ang formula natin is area of segment equals to area of sector minus area of the triangle. Okay? So, this is equal to pi. Ang pi is 3.14. So, approximation lang yung 3.14. And then, R is equal to 8 meters. So, 8 meters quantity squared. And then, the measure of the central angle is 60 degrees. All over 360 degrees minus 1/2. Then, R is 8 meters quantity squared. Now, paano makukuha yung sine C? So, that is sine 60 degrees. So, unahin muna natin ito. So, again, gagamit tayo ng calculator. So, 3.14 times 8 meters quantity squared. 8 times 8 is 64 meters squared times 60 degrees over 360 degrees. Cancel nyo na yung degree. So, gamit tayo ng calculator. 3.14 times 64 times 60 equals to 12,057.6. Divide na natin siya by 360. So, that is 33.49. So, round off up to 2 decimal place. Then, dito naman tayo sa area ng triangle. So, that is 1/2, then 8 meter quantity squared. So, 64 squared meters. And then, sine 60 degrees. Ito, sine 60 degrees. Paano natin kukunin yung value ng sine 60? So, gagamit tayo ng scientific calculator para makuha yung sine 60 degrees. Doon sa scientific calculator ninyo, may makikita kayo na SIN. So, yun yung sine. Click sine, and then 60. Then, i-close natin ng parenthesis. So, sine 60 degree, and then press equal sign. So, yun yung value ng sine 60 degrees. Ang kukunin nyo lang ay up to 2 decimal place. So, 0.87. Then, solve natin siya using calcu again. So, ang 1/2 ay 0.5 sa calcu. Para hindi kayo mahirapan. 0.5 times 64 times 0.87. That is equal to 27.84. And then, i-minus natin 33.49 minus 27.84. That is equal to 5.65. So, 5.65. Ano yung unit of measure natin? The unit of measure is squared meter or meter squared. So, the final answer is 5.65 square meter. Now, baka magtanong sa inyo, ma'am, bakit iba yung sagot natin doon sa libro? Kasi sa libro ko siya kinuha yung example nyo. Doon sa module. Sa module is 5.78 square meter. Tandaan ninyo na ang ginawa natin ditong solution sa sinolve natin, na ground off na tayo up to 2 decimal place. So, magkakaroon talaga ng konting difference. Kaya lang, okay lang yon, minimal lang siya kasi decimals lang naman, decimal point lang naman yung difference niya. Nag-ground off tayo ng up to 2 decimal place dito. Dito sa libro kasi, diretso yung pagsusolve niya. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung paano nakuha yung 5.78. So, dito sa calculator, dire-diretso kasi yung pag-press. Hindi na ground off. So, 3.14 times, so ang 8 squared ay 64 times 60 equals to divide 360. So ito yon, ito 33.493338 and so on. Then minus, so ma-minus natin ito yung magiging sagot dito sa 1/2 8 squared sine C. Minus, so 0.5, lagyan ng parenthesis, 0.5 times 64 times sine 60 equals to 5.78, 0.520.412. So, pareho, 5.78. 5.78. Okay? Okay, so, Baka mamaya may magsabi sa inyo, ma'am, paano po yan? Wala kaming scientific calculator. Paano po kami mag-solve? So, kung wala kayong scientific calculator, pwede naman kayong mag-download sa App Store ng scientific calculator. So, pakita ko sa inyo. So, sa Play Store, click nyo yung Play Store, i-press ninyo, i-search ninyo, yun, scientific calculator. Then, maraming lalabas. So, ang dinownload kong scientific calculator sa cellphone ko, itong free scientific calculator plus. Install. Yan. Wait natin mag-install. So, pag na-install na, open. Yan. So, tingnan nyo, implied multiplication. So, 1/2 pi equals to 1/2 times pi, or 1/2 equals to 1/2 times pi. So, i-click natin ito sa taas. Then, close. So, yun na. Meron na kayong scientific calculator sa inyong cellphone. So, ang i-click nyo pag sign, ito, sign, and then 60, and then close parenthesis. Sin 60 equals 0.86602540378. Pag nag-press kayo ng fraction sa scientific calculator na ganito ang setup. So, let's say 1/2 times 5. So, 1, ito yung fraction. Yan, 1/2. And then, i-press nyo yung screen para yung cursor doon pupunta sa gitna ng 1/2. 1/2, then multiply times 5 equals. Ayan.